Discover the best digital meat thermometers for 2025 in this video as we review and compare top-rated models for grilling and everyday cooking. From wireless to instant read options, we break down accuracy, durability, and ease of use to help you choose the perfect thermometer. Whether you're a pro chef or a backyard barbecue fan, find out which thermometer delivers the best results and takes your cooking to the next level. Number 1. Meter Plus Smart Bluetooth Wireless Meat Thermometer Digital. Experience professional level results with the Meter Plus, the truly wireless smart meat thermometer designed for precision cooking. Featuring dual sensors, it simultaneously tracks internal meat and ambient temperatures, sending real-time alerts and finish time estimates directly to your phone via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. Whether you're grilling, roasting, or smoking, its sleek, dishwasher-safe design and guided cooking app take the guesswork out of every meal. It's the ultimate tool for barbecue lovers and home cooks who want perfectly cooked results with total confidence. Number 2. Chef IQ Sense Smart Wireless Meat Thermometer. Achieve flawless results every time with the Chef IQ Smart Thermometer, featuring advanced 5-sensor technology and unlimited Wi-Fi range. With 4 internal sensors and 1 ambient sensor, it tracks your food and environment with pinpoint accuracy, even in extreme heat up to 1000 degrees Fahrenheit. Through the Chef IQ app, you'll get real-time alerts, flip timers, and chef-crafted presets that take the stress out of grilling, roasting, or smoking. Boasting a 70-hour battery life and a dishwasher-safe design, it's the ultimate high-performance tool for effortless, professional-grade cooking. Number 3. ThermoMaven Smart Bluetooth Wireless Meat Thermometer. Experience professional-grade precision with the ThermoMaven G1, the wireless meat thermometer designed for ultimate flexibility. Featuring NIST-certified 6-sensor technology and a massive 3,000-foot range, it ensures perfect accuracy whether you're at the grill or across the house. The unique smart display base allows for full control without needing a phone, while optional Wi-Fi and app support provide remote monitoring when you need it. Waterproof, dishwasher-safe, and built to withstand extreme heat, the G1 is the reliable choice for stress-free roasting, smoking, and grilling. Number 4. ThermoMaven Smart Bluetooth Wireless Meat Thermometer. Master every meal with the ThermoMaven P2, a 100% wireless system featuring dual ultra-thin probes and NIST-certified 6-sensor accuracy. Its standout smart display base lets you monitor and set temperatures directly on the device, no app required, while integrated 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi offers unlimited remote range for total freedom. Designed for high-heat grilling up to 752 degrees Fahrenheit and featuring an IPX8 waterproof rating for easy dishwasher cleanup, the P2 combines professional precision with the convenience of no-wire cooking. Number 5. ThermoPro 650-foot Wireless Meat Thermometer Digital for Grilling and Smoking. ThermoPro Bluetooth Meat Thermometer delivers reliable performance with simple, hassle-free control for confident grilling. With a strong 650-foot Bluetooth range and dual probe design, you can monitor 2 meats or ambient temperature at the same time without losing connection. The NSF-certified build, built-in display, and easy-to-use app provide accurate, real-time tracking without complicated Wi-Fi setup. Perfect for grilling, smoking, or roasting, ThermoPro ensures precise results every time and makes an excellent gift for any barbecue lover. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.